Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to get Bingo Plus rewards on Gcash. So let's start. So follow with this tip, surely you will do it. The first one is play and win on Bingo Plus. Accumulate winnings within the Bingo Plus platform through gameplay. The Gcash integration is primarily for cash in cash out functions for now earning A plus rewards points. Then access to withdrawal section. Log into your Bingo Plus account and navigate to the withdrawal or cash out section. Number 3, select the Gcash as payout method. Choose the Gcash as your desired withdrawal method. Number 4, enter amount and details. Input the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm your link Gcash mobile number. Number 5, confirm the transaction. Follow the prompts to confirm the withdrawal, the funds you were earning, to be transferred to your Gcash wallet. Important notes, Bingo Plus is separated from A Plus rewards. So the third-party platform Bingo Plus is a third-party gaming operator. Gcash acts as payment facilitator for depositing and withdrawing funds, and terms and conditions. So this way, guys, you can get the rewards on Bingo Plus on Gcash. However, well, you have to check these 4 or 5 restrictions they have, and when you do it, probably you can get the rewards there. So I hope this information helps you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up to this video.